Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to study a new topic, prepositions. What is prepositions? Let's see. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun. It is, you will find in the sentence, before noun or pronoun. Preposition, where will you find? Before noun or pronoun. It shows the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Now, I will tell you in easy language. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between noun or pronoun. Children, you have relations with your parents, your mother, your sister, your brother, your father. This is between you. It is a relation. With your mother, it is a relation of mom, mother, माँ का relation है, पापा के साथ फादर का relation है, भाई बहन, ये सब आपके रिलेटिव्स हैं, रिलेशन है इनके साथ, क्योंकि तभी वो आपके रिलेटिव्स कहलाते हैं. तो like this only, this preposition word has a relation between noun or pronoun, and whenever you will see in the sentence, you will find them in before the noun or pronoun. We will see in the example this, okay? And you will also find them before some other words. So it has relation between noun or pronoun and with some other words also in the sentence, okay? What are the prepositions? Prepositions are in, on, under, above, below, over, of, etc. There are many prepositions, but we will study few prepositions in class 2. In, on, under, above, below, over, of, etc. There are many, but we will study little, okay? Very few ones. So a preposition is a word which is placed in the sentence before a noun or pronoun, and it shows the relations between noun and pronoun and some other words. So two things you have to learn. Preposition is a word placed before noun or pronoun, and it shows relation between noun, pronoun and some other words in the sentence. Okay, children? I hope you would have understood, and these are the few prepositions. Now we will study two prepositions today, in and on. Okay, and after that we will study one more, near. Okay, in and on is very easy. Everybody can understand the meaning of in and on when we say, because it is very simple and very easy. See, this is a picture of a car. There is a driver sitting in the car. A driver is sitting in the car. So, this in preposition is showing relation between driver and car. It is showing relation between driver and car. Okay, here a woman is sitting on the stool. So this on is a preposition. Again, it is showing relation between a woman and a stool. Okay. A baby is lying in the cot. Now, what is preposition here? Baby is lying in the cot. In is a preposition. And what is the meaning of in? In means inside or into something. In means inside or into something. Now, fruits are kept on the table. Now, it is showing, on word is showing relation between the table and the fruits. So, this on is a preposition again. Now, let's see few more. People are sitting in the bus. People are sitting in the bus. Now, this in is again a preposition. An owl is sitting on the branch. Now, this on is a preposition. It is showing relation between owl and branch. What is on? On means upon, upar. In means inside or into something. A lady is sitting on the couch. Couch means sofa. So a lady and couch, between lady and couch, on is showing the relation. Groceries are kept in the basket. These are the groceries which are used in the kitchen or in the household things. So groceries are kept in the basket. So grocery and basket are there two things, and in is showing the relation between these two, groceries and baskets. Now we will study the next preposition, near. Three children are playing, you can see in the picture. Anu is standing near the batsman. Anu is standing near the batsman. So Anu and batsman, there are two people, two person, and this near word or near preposition is showing the relation between Anu and batsman. A teacher is standing near the blackboard. Now here blackboard is there, teacher is there. Now between them the relation, who is showing? Near word. Near word is showing, near preposition is showing relation between the blackboard and the teacher. A nurse is standing near the patient. A nurse is standing near the patient. Again this near word is showing relation between the patient and the nurse. A girl is standing near the postman. Girl is standing near the postman. This near preposition is showing the relation between a girl and the postman. And near means close by or close, not far away. Near means close or close by, not far away. Okay children, we have done today two prepositions, three, in, on and near. We will continue this and we will learn more prepositions in the next class. Bye bye.